Hi, I'm Matilda and I am a certified clinical aromatherapist. I am also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you're interested in pursuing aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my courses in the links down below in the description to get more information on the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you're interested in the topics that I am sharing with you, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the benefits and uses of eucalyptus. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Traditionally, Australian aborigines like to use eucalyptus leaves to bind up wounds, as that will not only prevent infection but would also help to speed up healing. Today, it is more common for us to use eucalyptus for respiratory discomfort. There are hundreds of different species of eucalyptus, but I'm going to share with you on 3 very popular eucalyptus species today. They are Eucalyptus radiata, Eucalyptus blue, and Eucalyptus globulus. Now, Eucalyptus globulus contains one of the highest amounts of eucalyptol among all the eucalyptus, and eucalyptol is one of the key ingredients found in antiseptic mouth rinses. It is also shown by laboratory tests to be a powerful antimicrobial agent. A study shows that just by spraying a solution containing 2% of eucalyptus can kill 70% of ambient staph bacteria. In fact, some doctors today still use solutions containing eucalyptus as surgical wound dressing. As for Eucalyptus radiata, it has been found in a study by Heidelberg University that it contains the second highest amount of eucalyptol after Eucalyptus globulus. It is also a species that has been treasured in folk medicine. As for Eucalyptus blue, it is grown in Ecuador and has been used by the Ecuadorian people since traditional times as a form of insect repellent and to disinfect wounds as well. It is the only eucalyptus that does not cause eucalyptol allergic reactions in people who are allergic to eucalyptol. And that makes it the most gentle eucalyptus. Hence, if you are using on young kids or on adults with skin sensitivity or who have sensitive respiratory system, I would recommend that you use Eucalyptus blue. Now let us dive into the benefits and uses of eucalyptus. So because eucalyptus has anti-catarrhal properties, anti-inflammatory properties, anti-infectious properties, expectorant properties, as well as antiseptic properties, that makes eucalyptus very suitable for supporting our respiratory system in terms of silencing coughs, helping to dissolve phlegm. And for those of you who suffer from sinus, bronchitis, you can also either inhale eucalyptus or apply eucalyptus along your nose bridge. So for those of you who suffer from phlegmy coughs, you can also apply eucalyptus on your chest and your upper back. We also can use eucalyptus as an immunity booster. So if you're going to use eucalyptus as an immunity booster, you can simply diffuse eucalyptus when you're sleeping or during the day in the room or in the living room, because eucalyptus has antiviral and antibacterial, anti-infectious properties as well. You may also choose to apply eucalyptus on the bottoms of your feet, on your chest, or on your upper back. And because eucalyptus possesses analgesic properties, that also makes eucalyptus a suitable candidate for pain management. So if you have painful muscles, aching joints, you can also apply eucalyptus on the area topically. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to dilute it before applying. And I find that if you combine eucalyptus with peppermint or copaiba, that will work very well as well. You may also want to consider wintergreen. If you have not watched my videos on peppermint or copaiba, do check them out later on. They can be found in the playlist with the link right above, or you could also check out my links in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video so far, do smash the like button. I would be really grateful for that. Another common usage of eucalyptus is to diffuse it to purify the air. As I have mentioned earlier, eucalyptus possesses antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-infectious properties. If you're the kind who catches a cold easily, it will be great, to diffuse eucalyptus at home frequently. And because eucalyptus has anti-infectious properties, it's great for infections. So we can use eucalyptus to disinfect wounds. We can also use it for respiratory infections and viral infections like herpes simplex. One of the very good blends to use for herpes simplex will be a blend of Eucalyptus Radiata with bergamot. And so earlier on, I mentioned that you can diffuse eucalyptus to strengthen your immunity as well as to purify the air. So another great benefit of diffusing eucalyptus at home is that it also works as an insect repellent to keep your bugs away. You can also make your own natural insect repellent in a roll-on bottle or in a spray bottle. So what you do is you can use eucalyptus on its own, or you can also blend eucalyptus with lemongrass, citronella, tea tree, rosemary, peppermint, lavender. These all make very good candidates for natural insect repellent, and they smell great when you blend all of them together. So these will give you a natural chemical-free insect repellent without containing DEET. So as we know, most commercial insect repellents that you can find in the stores, they contain DEET. And DEET is something that we want to avoid because it contains a lot of chemicals. We can also use eucalyptus for mouth rinse. Do you know that koala bears like to chew on eucalyptus leaves? So I'm sure, they must have really good oral health and their mouths must smell really good, right? So they've been chewing on eucalyptus leaves. But for us, I'm sure you do not want to chew on eucalyptus leaves. So for us, we can simply swish a few drops of eucalyptus oil mixed with a glass of water in our mouths as a mouth rinse. So besides eucalyptus, there are a few other oils that make very good candidates for mouth rinse as well. So you can also use clove, myrrh, peppermint, spearmint, tea tree. These are all very good candidates for mouth rinse. You can use them individually or you can blend them together. We can also use eucalyptus for household cleaning. You may want to skip using commercial dryer sheets and make your own ones, like with wet wipes, and put a few drops of eucalyptus and throw it into your dryer. That will be a lot more natural. Or you could also add a few drops of eucalyptus into your laundry wash. Or when you mop your floor, in a final rinse, you may want to just take a pail of water, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil inside, and mop your floor as the final rinse. Now that you know all the benefits of eucalyptus, we also need to learn what are some of the precautions to take when sharing about eucalyptus with our friends, our family, and also when we use them for ourselves and our family. So for eucalyptus, I do not recommend that you use it for children that's below 30 months old because eucalyptus tends to be a stimulating oil, and for kids below 30 months old, they tend to have a respiratory system that is not that strong yet. I would also recommend that you avoid eucalyptus if you're epileptic, pregnant, or nursing. If you're under medication, if you have some underlying medical condition, I would recommend that you consult a healthcare professional who is able to guide you before using any of the essential oils that I recommend. So if you like this video, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be informed of all future videos. And if you have any questions pertaining to eucalyptus, or would like to share your experience using eucalyptus, or would simply like to tell me that you like this video, do comment below. That's all I have to share about eucalyptus today. I really appreciate you being here. And if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a great week ahead. And don't forget to check out my other videos.